It's a very good program, and it's like I've honestly never been part of something that does work like this. So that's I believe. I'm a believer. So. I didn't really care about what I was doing, I guess. Wasn't really concerned about how it was affecting me health-wise. Just, yeah, eating whatever I wanted, when I felt like it. No real preparation to anything. I remember kind of looking in the mirror one day, like I was trying on a dress for a wedding, and I was like, in the change room, I'm like, oh my God, I'm really fat. Like, I felt like really, really like kind of shocked. But from then I was really like conscious about it, and I was like, oh my God, I like couldn't wear anything form-fitting anymore. It was lots of baggy clothes, lots of hoodies, that kind of stuff, just covering it up, and just kind of like I would just literally cover it up and not think about it. I think the first week I lost like 5 pounds ish, so that was really motivating to me. Like I was like, whoa, oh my God, something's actually working. Like this is, was pretty crazy to me. I feel more energized. Before, like I wouldn't have energy. Like around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 2:30, like after lunch, I would be at work at my desk, like trying to close my eyes for a minute and hoping nobody would notice. Like I would just feel like really crappy. Like when I think about how it used to be and drinking all the time, like smoking, now I'm like, I can't believe that was me before. I think it's been life-changing for me, in all honesty. Like it's a total lifestyle changer. Like I knew there was people like this who did stuff like this, like, but I never thought I would be one of those people who would be like, healthy or like get in shape. Like I didn't think that was a reality for me, but I see now that it's totally possible. I would say just to do it, and just because it works, and to just open up their mind and just like give it a chance. The support is unreal, amazing, with all the girls on the groups, like Facebook groups. That's amazing because like everybody is like a family. It's like you're all friends, we know each other, and it's it's very supportive, so it helps with anything that you're struggling with. But I would say to anyone that's on the fence about it to not be on the fence, and to just get off the fence and come on over and join, because it works. It's been good. I'm happy I found you. So happy. So